Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to create responsive bootstrap modal pop-up header footer with horizontal scroll bar. I'm reloading the browser. I'm clicking terms and conditions. See, notice the terms and conditions, the close button. When I mouse over in the modal body, close, it's gone. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. I'm using Notepad++ for this video tutorial to create a bootstrap modal pop-up with header, footer and the body with scroll bar. The first thing, let's create the basic HTML5 bootstrap template. For that, let's visit the getbootstrap.com website. We'll grab the basic bootstrap HTML5 template. Getbootstrap.com. The current version is 4.1.0. Get started. Here is the starter template. Just copy this template and I'm pasting this on my Notepad++. After adding the basic HTML5 bootstrap template on this Notepad++, just for the time saving, I already created a table with a registration form that I'm pasting here. And this is that code which contains the header tags h1, h2, horizontal line, and a registration form inside the table. I'm deleting the default h1 hello world. Before adding the bootstrap modal pop-up to this registration form, let's save this file. We'll check the output, how it looks, the designing part on the browser. Open bootstrap modal pop-up scroll, open with Google Chrome. And this is the output of that code, header tags and a simple registration form. Now my aim is I want to add the bootstrap modal pop-up to this accept terms and conditions with a href link. Let's visit again getbootstrap.com official website. In the left side, see the components here, click that one. Come to the bottom, the modal, click that one. These are the basic modal components. I'm copying this code, the launch demo modal, which looks like this way. Let's close this one, copy it, switch to the Notepad++. After the center tag, I'm adding the bootstrap modal pop-up code here. Let's check the output on the browser. When I click the button control, this modal pop-up is opening or not. Save this file, switch back to the browser. I'm reloading the browser and here we got the button control. When I click that one, see here the modal pop-up is opening. Now I want to add this functionality to this accept terms and conditions. Instead of button, I want to add the href link. Let's switch back to the coding part. Come to the bottom. Here I'm adding href hash I'm closing href. Now here I'm adding the attributes, the button control, data toggle modal, data target. Copy this one and I'm pasting here. Let's delete this button control. We don't require any more. Let's save this file. We'll check the output. I'm reloading the browser, and see here we got the terms and conditions with a href link. When I click that one, the modal pop-up is opening. Now I want to add the background color to the pop-up header, and in the content box, the body, I want to add the horizontal scroll bar, and I don't require this save changes button, which I am deleting. Let's switch back to the coding part again, and the button control, which I don't require. In the modal body, I'm pasting the terms and conditions content. Let's save this file. We'll check the output. Close this one. I'm reloading the browser again. The terms and conditions. See, now here we got only the close button in the footer and the terms and conditions. Let's close this one. Switch back to the coding part. After the script, I'm adding style, closing style, dot modal body. The modal body, I'm making the height 350 pixels, overflow hidden. Now I'm adding dot modal body colon. I want to add the scroll bar when I mouse over into the modal body. So hover overflow -y, which creates the horizontal scroll bar. If you add X, it will create the vertical scroll bar. Colon auto. Now I'm adding the background color to the header section. Dot popup header background color is black. Color, which is a 4 color, is white. I want to add a little animation to display the modal pop-up. Dot fade opacity 1. If we add 0, the modal pop-up container does not visible. -webkit transaction colon opacity 1 as linear transaction colon the same thing, opacity 1 as linear. Now let's add this pop-up header class into this header section. Modal header. This is a pop-up header. I'm changing the title of the header of the bootstrap pop-up terms and conditions. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the final results on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. I'm clicking terms and conditions. See, notice the terms and conditions, the close button. When I mouse over in the modal body, close, it's gone. That's it.